Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into 40 fun things you can do on a cruise ship. Yeah, there's literally something for everyone on board.
I'm really excited about this. There's so much variety. Isn't it amazing?
Absolutely. It's like every moment on a cruise ship is a new experience, whether you're chasing adrenaline with roller coasters at sea or just sipping cocktails by the pool.
Yep. Speaking of adrenaline, those onboard attractions like aerial bicycle rides and roller coasters and even skydiving simulators definitely get your heart pumping, right?
Right, think about it. You have stuff like the Bolt roller coaster and skydiving simulators that really push the limits of what you expect in a cruise.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have even zip lining and rock climbing.
It's almost like, camping meets extreme sports but on the water. It's pretty rad.
Exactly. And if you're more into games than physical thrills, then you'll find onboard arcades, interactive laser tag, and even virtual reality rooms that simulate everything from hang gliding to tightrope walking.
Right. And let's not forget the casinos. Those onboard casinos where you can try your luck, sometimes even join a tournament. That's a whole other layer of fun.
Yep, the gaming aspect ranges from classic arcade games to VR adventures. It's really a playground for both kids and adults.
Exactly. Now, moving on from games, there's also onboard art. I mean, art collecting and appreciation on a cruise ship are pretty unique, don't you think?
Definitely. You have art galleries that aren't just static displays. They host art talks, shows, and even the chance to, pick up some pieces without the whole auction pressure.
Mm-hmm. Right. And for those who want to get creative, there are arts and craft sessions, from scrapbooking to jewelry making. Some guests really enjoy that hands-on approach.
Yep, it's like you're learning a new craft while surrounded by the ocean's horizon. And speaking of learning, many ships offer behind-the-scenes tours, showing how the entire ship operates.
Absolutely. Now, I got to ask, though, sometimes those behind-the-scenes tours can be a bit pricey, don't you think? I mean, are they really worth the extra fee?
That's a fair point. They definitely come at a premium, but if you're really curious about the mechanics of the ship, like the galley operations or the bridge, they can be a fascinating, intimate glimpse into what keeps everything afloat.
Mm-hmm. I get that. But still, for some cruisers, it might seem a bit niche compared to the more high-energy rides.
True, it's not for everyone, but that's part of the beauty. There's something for every personality, from adrenaline junkies to, inquisitive minds who want to know how a ship really works.
Exactly. And then you have the classic activities like bingo and trivia nights. I mean, who doesn't enjoy a good old bingo game paired with some quirky cruise prizes?
Absolutely. Bingo, trivia, scavenger hunts. The social aspect of cruising is huge. These fun little competitions really bring people together.
Right on. Speaking of socializing charity events on board, like the 5K strolls or dance lessons for a cause, add another layer of meaning to the vacation experience.
Oh yes, the charity work packages are a wonderful way to take a break from, just fun for fun's sake and contribute to a good cause.
Mm-hmm.
It blends relaxation with purpose.
And then there are the culinary adventures. Cooking classes and live demos are a huge draw, aren't they?
Yup, cruise ships really cater to foodies. Whether it's making your own pizza or learning some sushi techniques, it's all about expanding your culinary horizons.
Absolutely. Plus, dining options themselves are a highlight. From main dining rooms to quirky themed edibles like celebrity-themed burger joints or even unique balcony dining experiences.
Right. And then you have those special dining experiences where chefs put on a show, like little projection chefs or food surrounded by acrobats. It's like, dinner and a performance all in one.
Mm-hmm. Not to mention the drinks. There are atrium bars, piano bars, even robotic arms making your cocktail, right?
Exactly. The drink options are endless. From classic cocktails to innovative experiences like a moving bar or an ice bar. It's, like your taste buds take a vacation of their own.
Right. And speaking of vacations and learning, there are enrichment seminars on board, talks on local culture, history, and even outer space. That's a whole different kind of vacation perk.
Yes, for those who love to learn, these seminars really enhance the journey. Whether you're attending lectures from experts or discussing the history of the regions you're visiting, it adds depth to your cruise.
Absolutely. Now, what about escape rooms? They seem to be, a really unique twist, combining puzzle solving with the cruise vibe.
Oh yeah, escape rooms on board are, a blast. They're like mini adventures where you work with your fellow passengers to solve clues, and sometimes there's even an adult twist to it.
Mm-hmm. I love that. They really make you think on your feet. It's both interactive and challenging.
Right, and if you're wanting to step ashore, the shore excursions offer practically a global tour in one go. From historic tours to adventurous pursuits like ziplining, there's so much to choose from.
Exactly. And these excursions really allow you to sample the local flair of each port, don't they? Whether it's a leisurely beach break or an active outdoor adventure, there's no shortage of things to do.
Yeah, it's like every port is a new chapter in your vacation story. And then, onboard game shows add a whole different level of entertainment with live competitions and interactive fun.
Right, indeed. Not to mention, the sweeping views from various vantage points on the ship are unbeatable, like watching the sunset from a balcony or a specialty observation lounge.
Those views are something else. The design of these ships often gives you, not just a room, but an entire scene to relax in.
Yeah. And for those who appreciate the simple pleasures, there's always ice cream. Free self-serve ice cream is a must-have, right?
Exactly. Whether you're grabbing a quick cone or indulging with fancy toppings from specialty outlets, the ice cream moments are pure joy.
Absolutely. Now for families, the options are practically endless too. Kids clubs, splash areas, themed entertainment. It's a whole world designed especially for the little ones.
Right, and that means parents can sometimes take a breather, knowing their kids are having a great time in a safe environment.
Yeah, definitely. Also, the unique touches like onboard Central Park-styled areas or real grass lawns give you a taste of home in the middle of the sea. It's almost surreal.
Oh, for sure. It's these little design quirks that really elevate the experience, like having a park complete with live plants or even a lawn club so you can have a real picnic.
And let's talk about live music. From jazz trios to rock bands, the musical offerings on these ships are bound to suit any mood or taste.
Totally live music, roaming piano players, and even pop-up performances in unexpected spots like the elevator. You never know when inspiration will strike.
Yep. And then there are those exclusive experiences like meeting a celebrity or joining a theme cruise, where you get to share the ship with your idols.
Yeah, think about it. Being on a ship where, say, a famous singer or actor is on board for days, it's like being at a festival with your best friends, but on the ocean.
Exactly. Plus, the movie nights, whether indoors or poolside under the stars, cruise ships really know how to tailor a cinematic experience.
Right, from IMAX theatres to 4D cinemas, movie fans are well catered to. And then you have parades and live productions that keep the party going well into the night.
Indeed. And if you're all about staying active, there are fitness centres, jogging tracks, mini-golf, even ice skating and fencing on select ships.
Yup, it's like that. Every day is packed with options, whether you want to burn off dessert or just have some fun while keeping in shape.
Right. There's also the chance to simply relax. Reading in a cosy library, enjoying spa treatments, or even staying in your cabin a bit longer, soaking up that ocean view.
Absolutely. It's crucial to remember that a cruise is both about the action-packed moments and those quiet, reflective ones, like stargazing on a clear night in the middle of the ocean, or, just enjoying the gentle sway of the ship.
Yes, indeed. And for those who need to stay connected, many ships offer Wi-Fi packages and onboard apps to keep you linked with your group and the digital world, although sometimes at a premium.
Right. It's a balance of disconnecting for leisure while still having the option to connect when needed.
Lastly, we can't forget the fun and quirky, like towel folding contests, trivia, water slides, and even wine tastings with certified sommeliers. Each little detail adds a dash of magic to the overall experience.
Exactly. From mastering quirky towel animals to racing down water slides, every bit is designed to keep you entertained throughout your voyage.
Right on. In the end, whether you're after high-energy thrills, quality entertainment, or just a peaceful moment while watching the endless ocean, a cruise ship truly offers something for every taste.
Well said. It's like a microcosm of life itself, a blend of adventure, relaxation, and unexpected surprises. Sure to create unforgettable memories.
Exactly. Thanks for the chat. This really makes you want to book your next cruise ASAP.
Absolutely. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-timer, these 40 fun things will never let you get bored on the open sea. Cheers to adventure on board.